I'm Eric, Content Manager at theCut, and welcome to theCut University. At the beginning of this module on financial literacy, we advocated for you to report your income. Well, now we're at the granddaddy of reasons to do so, your income tax report. Whether it's December or July, it's always a good time to be on point when it comes to your tax prep and payments. For contractors, the expectation is that you make quarterly tax payments. We all hate tax season, but it's better to be prepared than not. The best way to start is by knowing what you're responsible for. You might be asking, what taxes am I responsible for? Well, that depends on what type of barber you are. Most barbers are contractors, but some may be employed. Talk to your shop owner or manager if you don't know your employment status or classification. As a contractor, you are a business. You're responsible for reporting your earned income and expenses. For example, a sole proprietorship would file a Form 1040 using Schedule C to report business income and expenses and Schedule SE to report self-employment tax. Check out our partner Catch. Their link is included below. They completely automate the tax payment process. Set aside what you need each time you get paid. Make estimated payments with a tap. This way, you have nothing to worry about when tax season comes around. Alternatively, if you were employed at the shop where you cut, employees are responsible for their state and federal taxes. Your shop owner will provide you with a W-2 for detailing your income for use for you when you are filing. If you own that barbershop, you're responsible for all your employees' federal income, Social Security, and Medicare tax, as well as your contribution or the shop's contribution to Social Security and Medicare tax. In either case, barbers who use theCut will receive an annual report which breaks down your activity for the year. You'll see how many appointments you've booked and the estimated income generated. 3 terms you need to know. Gross income, all the income generated from your primary service of barbering, along with product sales if you sell merchandise. Expenses, you should be using accounting software to help you track your expenses. Deductions, items and amounts that reduce your total taxable base, which means you pay less in taxes. Basically, you can tell the IRS that certain things were a cost of doing business, and they will allow you to subtract that from the income you generated that year. So keep a record of everything you purchase that helps you do your job. The more you're able to reduce your income, the less income you have to report. The less income you have to report, the fewer taxes you have to pay. You can claim the cost of equipment purchased for the shop for a tax break over a few years in the process known as depreciation. Think chairs, shop vacuums, or station air compressors. With depreciation, you're only allowed to claim a portion of the cost each year. If you go for a Section 179 deduction, you can deduct the entire amount in the first year, provided your total Section 179 deductions don't exceed $1 million. A $1,000 barber chair purchase allows you to deduct $250 the first year and $250 each year after that. You can also claim costs like the amount paid in processing fees as a deduction, so you can get that money back. When filing, be sure to report all your costs and deduct the appropriate expenses from your income when doing your taxes. Every year, barbers on theCut get an annual report showing the total income earned and total fees paid to process payments. It's just another way we try to make your life easier as a barber. Comment below if you have questions about other expenses that can be listed as deductions. And be sure to watch our next video on health insurance for barbers. Thanks. Thank you for watching theCut U. Hit the link below to download theCut and start your 15-day free trial today. Join the other 10,000 barbers who are actively getting discovered by new clients and managing their schedules and transactions. Please hit that subscribe bell, like the video, and share with someone you think will benefit from what we've shared today.